Today we talk about how can you switch your account on your Webull app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. Then you click here on, you click here on switch account here. So then here you will find your account here if you want to add your account. But if you have your second account, can you switch it with your first account on your Webull app? That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like